the miller, his son, and the donkey. One bright morning, a miller said to his son, "Come, my boy, let us take our donkey to the market. Maybe someone will buy him." So the miller, his son, and the donkey started down the road. At first, they both walked beside the donkey. The donkey walked slowly, happy and free. After a while, some people on the road saw them. They laughed and said, "What foolish men! Donkeys are made for riding. Why don't you sit on the donkey?" The miller thought, "They are right." He said to his son, "Climb up, my boy. You ride, and I will walk." The son sat on the donkey, and they continued. Soon they met some women in the village. The women shook their heads and said, "Look at that boy. He rides while his poor old father walks. What a selfish child." The miller felt ashamed. "Get down, my boy," he said kindly. "Now I will ride, and you will walk." So the boy walked, and the father rode the donkey. After some time, a group of young men saw them. They shouted, "Look at that man! He rides while his little boy walks. What a cruel father." The miller felt confused. He wanted to please everyone. So he said, "Come, my son. We will both ride." They both climbed on the donkey. The donkey carried them, step by step. Soon they came to another group of people. The people cried, "Poor donkey! 2 people on his back. How heavy! How unfair!" The miller was worried. "What shall we do now?" he asked his son. The son thought for a moment. "Maybe we should carry the donkey," he said. So they tied the donkey's legs with a rope. They put a long pole through the rope and lifted the donkey onto their shoulders. The road was crowded. When people saw them carrying the donkey, they laughed and clapped their hands. "Look! Look! The men are carrying a donkey. What fools they are!" The donkey was afraid of the noise. He kicked, he pulled, and at last he broke free. He fell into the river and was gone. The miller and his son stood by the water, very sad. The father sighed. "My son, remember this. If we try to please everyone, we please no one. And in the end, we lose what we have." Moral: you cannot please everyone.